Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connections. This saves wasted troubleshooting time. First, plug a known good cable into a verified outlet and watch the case LED. If no light appears, clean the port carefully with compressed air and a soft brush, because grime blocks current. Once done, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is on and check for firmware updates. These fixes address charging logic and connection mismatches. Make sure to restart the phone to clear any cached errors before proceeding. Next, you tackle the more detailed steps that actually restore charging contact. Carefully clean the metal contacts on each bud and inside the case with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab. This removes oils that interrupt current flow. After cleaning, reset the Airpods by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED cycles, which clears firmware glitches. Then, test charging with an alternate cable and charger, because a faulty cable often mimics a dead case. This isolates whether the problem is Airpods or accessory. Finally, you confirm the outcome and decide next steps. Swap Airpods between slots to determine if the issue follows the bud or the case. This ambiguity points to a hardware fault. If charging still fails after cleaning and reset, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center, because internal battery or circuit repairs require professional tools. Keep your receipt and serial number handy. You may need proof of purchase for service, and to evaluate whether replacement or paid repair is the appropriate solution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.